Oh, that's a big bass, son. That is a big, big bass. Yeah, that is a snook. Oh my goodness. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Pond Hopper Fishing. My name is Mike, and you guys, if you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We're at like 795 right now, so 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year is definitely attainable, and that's my goal. So help me out, just hit that subscribe button and get me to that goal. All right, let's get into this video, guys. So Brody and I actually just got back from fishing. Needless to say, it's hot out, guys, and this is August fishing in Florida, so 3 fish, nothing real big. Pretty much going to delete the footage. Brings me to my next point. So there's highs and lows of Florida fishing, or summer fishing in general. Now, when there's a storm coming, that is a very opportune time to get your butt out there and go fish. In this video, we're going to show you some events leading up to a Category 1 hurricane coming through, and I think it eventually got downgraded to like a tropical storm by the time it hit. However, we started out in the morning, had a morning session, and got my PB. So PB on top water. You guys will see. And then we went into the night session, the afternoon session, I should say, and it was a good day overall, guys. So I hope you guys liked the video. Once again, hit that subscribe button, and you know what, guys, while you watch this video, I'm ready to get in the pool. Thanks, guys. Not much motion right now. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's a big bass, son. That is a big, big bass. Yeah, that is a snook. Oh my goodness. It might be a snook. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, he spit it. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. He's swimming towards me. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think it's a snook.
Yeah, it's probably a snook.
The way it's running, yeah. Oh my goodness. Is it? Oh, first snook ever on top water, dude. Oh, second cast. Stay with it. Stay with it. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. That got me jacked, dude. He absolutely came out of the water and annihilated that. Okay, you ready? Oh my goodness. I gotta get wet. Just drink, spit out. Look for a gator, please. Oh, jeez.
No gator.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. He's not a gigantic one, but that is a thick fish. Woo!
It was on top water. Look, he chewed me up. Yes. Holy crap. I saw him explode over there. I was like, you know what? Let me just throw on it. Good thing I did. All right, guys. Hey, second cast of the morning. First topwater snook ever. Absolutely demolished. I mean, demolished the dual pitch from 13 Fishing. Guys, 30-inch snook and an absolute fatty. This fish is fat. Look at this thing. Absolutely sick. We got to hurry up and get a release on her. So there's a gator over here, so we got to get out of here. All right, let's get her going. There she goes. All those times that I said, oh, I think it's a snook. I think it's a snook. That was a snook, guys. Top water, can't beat it first thing in the morning. All right, guys, we are out here slightly before a hurricane hits, about 4 or 5 hours before a hurricane comes through. It's kind of breezy. You can smell the kind of tropical air stirring up, but here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw around the Jabberjaw right now, and I'm gonna throw it around on my new Envy Black 13 Fishing rod and my Concept A2. So I went into the 13 Fishing the other day, and this rod does not come out till spring of 2022. However, I'm very fortunate, and I got hooked up with the rod and the reel, and I walked out of there a very happy person. I fished with this once so far, and I got to tell you, I love the rod. I love the feel of it. It feels absolutely phenomenal, guys. So when this rod comes out, you guys really need to get your hands on it. Where'd they go? All right, let's put this thing up for right now. See if I can find them and throw in on them. Okay, I think I saw one. Okay, that's a turtle. 100%, that's a turtle. All right, time to get a new bait on. Yeah, that's a turtle. All right, I'm gonna try more of a smaller bait, the Invader, cilantro lime color, completely different color than we were just using. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I don't know. Hopefully, it's good things. It's more of a creature bait instead of the big worm. But that was definitely a turtle. Had to have been. All right, yeah, we got one, and that's a monster. Absolute monster, guys. I mean, monster. I knew it when it hit it. This is why we came out storm fishing, guys. Do not lose them. This is big. No joke, big. Oh, you know it's big when they don't want to come up either. Oh, pulling them through some gunk, guys. This is big. Come on. Oh, yeah. There's another one following it up. Another one following it up. Okay. All right, we're in the business. Woo! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That is a freaking tank. Oh, my goodness. Look at the size of that beast. That is a beast. Let's get a weight on her. I'm gonna guess mid-7s, but I did bring my scale that kind of stinks. It was my most expensive scale ever too. But yeah, it's not my favorite scale to say the least. All right, 6.28 guys, 6.30, 6.28. I'm telling you, this is a 7-pound fish. This scale is off. I promise you, the scale is off. That's okay. I left my other scale in my kayak, but we still got a weight on her, so I don't care. Doesn't matter. That's a giant. All right, guys, absolute slaunch here. First fish of the night, pre-storm fishing. I think my scale's off. It's saying somewhere in the, it's like 6.3. Guys, I caught a lot of big fish. This is for sure a 7-pound fish. So scale, whatever. I don't believe it. This is a slaunch, guys. Look at the mouth on her. All right, let's get her back in the water. Absolute dinosaur. Oh man, look at the size of that thing. That's huge. Big old belly's getting in the way, girl. Come on. Jeez, I mean, did I just friggin' hit that thing on the head? Is that a turtle? What is that? No, that's a bass. I friggin' hit that thing right on the head and it just friggin' smashed it. Wasn't even like a great fish. I don't think anyway. No. Little dinker. He got mad at it. End the night because we had a monster and then it's been a long drought. Had a monster, a dink, and now about a 17-incher. I saw him smashing stuff over there. It's not big. So I'm smashing stuff over there, so I knew I'd get a bite. About to have some fun. Number 4 on the night. Beep. Get a little love. Get a little full send here. The heck? I didn't feel him eat it. I guess I looked away. Maybe just came up and slurped it. Next thing I knew, my line was heavy. Maybe I hooked him on his side. Yeah. All right, back some numbers, guys. All right, guys. Well, we fished until the storm started rolling. Wind has picked up. Survived a little rain shower. Sun's going down, so time to go home, take care of all the outside furniture, batten down the hatches, and get ready to ride this little storm out. It's only like a category 1, so not that big of a deal, but you always want to be cautious and make sure that everything's good. So guys, before a storm, if you have a chance and an opportunity, get your pine dead out there and fish, because guess what? I had a pretty successful night, especially with that big monster, which I know was 7 pounds. The Rapala scale is just weighs light on everything. I mean, it's almost 3/4 of a pound off as compared to my other scale. So it is what it is. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys back at Bar Talk after I batten down the hatches and get ready for this little hurricane. All right, guys, see you back there. All right, what's up, guys? Hey, I told you guys I was gonna be in the pool, and you know what? After that pre-hurricane tropical storm fishing, we're back to regular Florida. So fishing in Florida in August for bass is extremely hard, especially when the water temperature is like 90+ degrees. So
So you fish till about 9 o'clock in the morning. You call it a morning, and then you come hang out with the family in the pool. Say Nathan. Oh yeah, Brody. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like I always say, right place, right time, right bait, and what Nathan's saying. Cheers, guys, and keep on fishing.
Oh, that's a big bass, son. That is a big, big bass. Yeah, that is a snook. Oh my goodness. It might be a snook. Oh. That was a snook, guys. Top water, can't beat it first thing in the morning.